Assalamualaikum and hi to my lecturer, which is Madam Wan Marzatul Miza, and to my fellow friends. We are from AM1103A. In this video, it consists business overview, work plan, and producting costs for nasi lemak, fried chicken, and nasi ayam penyet.
It also includes job cost card, reflection of our members, and the conclusion. Our team consists of me, myself, AISYAH UMAIRAH binti ZAIREE.
And me, MIOR ALIF DARWISY NIZAM.
The next one is Muhammad Adam HARIZ bin Muhammad NIZAM, Muhammad HAIKAL HARITH bin Muhammad NASSIR, and ASYARATUL QAISARA binti AWANG ABDULLAH. We have selected Selera Seri Mangga as the restaurant for our project. So, without wasting our time, let's go!
First of all, let's start with business overview. Let's go.
Assalamualaikum and hi to Madam and all my fellow classmates. Today, I will be presenting the background of our case study, which focuses on Selera Seri Mangga, a restaurant operating in the food and beverage or F&B industry. So to start with, Selera Seri Mangga specializes in serving Malaysian-inspired cuisine and actually well known for its signature dishes, nasi lemak, fried chicken, and nasi ayam penyet. These dishes are popular among customers because they offer delicious taste and affordable prices. So as we know, nasi lemak is one of Malaysia's most iconic traditional dishes, while nasi ayam penyet has become one of the country's favorite meals. So the restaurant was established on 4th December 2014 and initially operated as a small restaurant, providing both lunch and dinner services. Since its establishment, the business has focused on delivering high-quality food and excellent customer service. In addition, the restaurant places great importance on maintaining food quality and customer satisfaction. Next, I would like to introduce the business identity. The restaurant is owned by Encik ZAIREE bin Wahab and operates as a food and beverage business. It is located at Lot 3938, Lorong 3, Jalan Seri Mangga 1/6, Taman Seri Mangga. Its tagline, "Delicious Taste Every Day," reflects the restaurant's commitment to consistently providing delicious food and ensuring customer satisfaction. In conclusion, Selera Seri Mangga has successfully established itself as a trusted local restaurant by offering quality Malaysian cuisine, maintaining excellent service, and creating a pleasant dining experience for its customers. Thank you, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Next is Gantt chart of the work plan. Let's go.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So I will be explaining the work plan for this project. So we prepared a Gantt chart so it is easier for us to understand. So it started with team meeting and business selections on 21st June. Alright, so after we have selected a business or the restaurant, we had the interview with business owner on the 24th June, which is the owners of Selera Seri Mangga. Alright, so on 25th June, we analysed the interview output and we prepared the job costing for nasi lemak with fried chickens and nasi ayam penyet. And then after that, we prepared a draft for our assignment report. And then on 29th June, we started to prepare our report, our slide presentations, and we record our video presentations. Alright, it took us around 4 days for us to complete. And then we had our consultation with Madam Niza on July 8th. And finally, we submit our assignment on the 10th of July, which is on Friday. Thank you.
Furthermore, we have job costing for nasi lemak ayam goreng and nasi ayam penyet. Let's go.
Hi everyone, let's look at the costing breakdown for 20 portion of our nasi lemak fried chicken. First, our prime cost total is 137 ringgit. This is made up of 91 ringgit 33 cent for our raw ingredient like rice, chicken and sambal, plus RM45 ringgit 67 for cooking labor, which is we estimate at 50% of our ingredient cost. Next, we add RM16 ringgit 30 cent for packaging material, which we include our plastic boxes, cup and utensil. This brings up our total production cost to 153 ringgit 30 cent for the whole batch. Finally, we add a profit margin of 6 ringgit 70 cent, setting our total selling price at 160 ringgit. This allows us to sell each individual portion for a very reasonable price at one portion RM8 ringgit, while ensuring our business stay profitable. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Next, for our nasi ayam penyet, we calculated the cost of producing 20 portions. The direct material cost is RM118.90, which includes all the ingredients such as rice, chicken, vegetables, spice, and cooking oil. The direct labor cost is RM59.45, giving us a prime cost of RM178.35. We also have indirect material cost of RM16.30 for packaging items like plastic boxes, sambal cups, spoons, forks, and plastic wrapping. This brings the total production cost to RM194.65. We plan to sell all 20 portions for RM200. So the total profit is RM5.35.
Alright, so Assalamualaikum. I will be explaining about the job cost sheet. As you guys can see in the video, there is the job cost sheet for nasi lemak with fried chicken for 20 packs. Alright, so it consists of various elements such as direct materials, direct labor, indirect materials. Alright, so the first of all, the direct material. So the direct material, it consists of several ingredients such as the rice, peanuts, anchovies, eggs, cucumber, coconut milk, sambal, which consists of dry chilies, onion and garlic, cooking oils, and last but not least, chicken. So first of all, rice, we're going to be using 2.5 kilos of rice with RM8 per kilogram. Next, we have peanuts, 200 grams of peanuts with 0.80 cents per 100 grams. Anchovies, we have 200 grams with 3.80 cents per 100 gram. We will be using 10 eggs with 40 cents each. Cucumber, 3 pieces with RM1 each. Coconut milk, 500 grams with 80 cents per bag. Sambal, we're going to be using 160 grams of dry chilies, 2.5 kilos of onions, and 90 grams of garlic, which the total will be RM7.63. For cooking oil, we will be using 1 kilo, which costs RM2.50. And last but not least, chicken, which is 5 kilogram with RM9 per kilogram. So the total will be RM45. Alright, after we add up all the direct materials, we will get the value of RM91.33. Alright, for direct labor, this business also use 50% of the direct material cost, which is going to be RM45.67. Alright, so prime cost would be the total add up of RM91.33 with RM45.67. Then we will get the value of RM137. Alright, so this business also consists of indirect material, which are plastic box, cup for sambal, spoon, fork, and transparent plastics. Alright, so for plastic box, we will be using 20 pieces, of course, for 20 packs with 35 cents each. So cup for sambal also 20 pieces with 0.08 or 8 cents for each cup. For spoon and fork and spoon, we will be using 20 pieces with 13 cents each. And transparent plastic, we will be using 20 pieces also with 0.125 per plastics. So after we add up all the value, we will get the production overhead value, which is RM16.30. Alright, so in order for us to get total production cost, we need to add up the prime cost with production overheads, which in result we will get RM153.30 of the cost. Alright, so in order for us to calculate profit, we have to know the selling price. Alright, so for this business, they will sell the price of one nasi lemak with fried chicken is RM8. So RM8, we times it by 20 packs, we will get the final value of 160. So selling price, total selling price, and we minus it with total cost, we will get the profit. So 160 minus with 153 ringgit and 30 cents, we will get the profits of 6 ringgit and 70 cents. Alright, that is all for job cost sheets for nasi lemak with fried chicken for 20 packs. Alright, so next we have the job cost sheet for nasi ayam penyet for 20 packs. So same as before, it consists of several elements such as direct material, direct labor and indirect material. So for direct material, it's also have several ingredients such as rice, baked chili, bird's eye chili, fermented shrimp paste, onion, cooking oil, tomato, chicken, cucumber, lettuce, tempeh, lemongrass and ginger. Alright, so for rice, we're going to be using 2.5 kilo and 8 kilo RM, 8 ringgit for each kilogram. So baked chili 2 kilogram with 12 ringgit per kilogram, bird's eye chili 0.5 kilo with 10 ringgit per kilogram, fermented shrimp paste 1 packet with 3 ringgit for 1 packet, onion 1 kilo with 3 ringgit per kilogram, cooking oil 1 ringgit with 2 ringgit and 50 cents per kilogram, tomato 0.5 kilogram or 500 grams with 4 ringgit per kilogram, chicken 5 kilogram with 9 ringgit per kilogram, cucumber we will be using 3 pieces with 1 ringgit each, lettuce 2 pieces with 4 ringgit each, tempeh 4 pieces with 1 ringgit and 10 cents each, lemongrass 3 stalks with 50 cents and ginger 3 stalk with 50 cents each. Alright, so total up of this all direct material, we will get the amounts of 118 ringgit and 90 cents. Alright, so direct labor same as before. It is based on the direct material cost, which is 50%. We will be times it with 118 ringgit and 90 cents. The result would be 59 ringgit and 45 cents. So we can determine the prime cost based on these two value. So just add up these two value and we will get 178 ringgit 35 cents. Alright, so same as before. So it consists of direct materials, which is plastic box, cup for sambal, fork and spoon, and transparent plastic bags. Alright, so plastic bags are 20 pieces with 0.35 or 35 cents each. 20 pieces of cup for sambal with 8 cents each. For fork and spoon, 20 pieces with 30 cents each. And transparent plastic would be 0.125 times 20. Then we will be getting 2 ringgit and 50 cents. So add up all this number, we will get 16 ringgit and 30 cents. Alright, so total production cost, we need to add up the production overhead cost with the prime cost. So 178 ringgit and 35 cents, we add up with 16 ringgit and 30 cents, we will be getting 194 ringgit 0.65 cents. Alright, so same as before, if we want to know the profit, we should know the selling price first. So the selling price for one nasi ayam penyet is 10 ringgit. We times it with 20 because 20 packs, we will be getting 200 ringgit. Alright, so total selling price, then we minus it with total cost, which is 194 ringgit and 65 cents, and the profit would be 5 ringgit and 35 cents. Alright, so that is the job cost sheets or production or product costing for making nasi ayam penyet for 20 packs.
Next is our reflection with group members. Let's go.
Alright, so for the reflections, I am the group leader for these assignments. I would really love to thank all my group mates because they have done so much in order to keep this journey smoothly. So starting from the selections of the restaurant, the interviews and until the very end of this project. Alright, so this project also really teaches me how to calculate product costing in the right way, and how every single details of the ingredients can really affect the final outcome. So Alhamdulillah, and thanks for everything.
Hi everyone, my name is MIOR NIZAM. I would like to share my reflection on this assignment, specifically focusing on what I learned about managing a retail business. First, this project really opened my eyes to daily operation of a business. I learned how crucial carefully manage a business, and how detailed it costs from a start to finish as a part as a daily routine. Every small expenses are very matter. Second, analyzing this assignment taught me a lot about the core business strategy. It showed me how to approach customer engagement, find the right market positioning, and handle production promotion. Ultimately, this experience allowed me truly grasp how significant a well-crafted marketing plan is to overall success of a retail business. I think that's all from my reflection. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad HAIKAL bin Muhammad NASSIR. I'm gonna tell you guys about my reflection toward this assignment groups. First of all, for this assignment, all of our group members work together by dividing the tasks equally and communicating regularly through WhatsApp. So this helped us complete the assignment efficiently and on time. Through this assignment, I learned how to calculate the actual food cost for one production, which is one packs. I also realized that setting a selling price is not just about the cost of ingredients. We also need to consider labor cost, indirect materials, and other production expenses to ensure the business can make a profit.
So, from my reflection, through this assignment, I learned a lot about how businesses manage their costs and expenses. I also realized that producing food products and running a business involve careful planning and accurate costing. Our group also worked well together because the tasks were shared fairly among everyone. This made our communication smooth and helped us complete the assignment effectively.
So for my reflection, I can say that this group assignment really gave me the opportunity to apply the cost accounting concepts that I learned in class to a real business situation. Through this project, I also gained a better understanding of how to calculate costs, determine suitable selling prices, and evaluate business profitability. Besides that, working together with my group members also helped me improve my teamwork and communication skills. We shared ideas, discussed solutions, and completed the assignment together. So overall, this assignment was a valuable learning experience that not only strengthened my understanding of cost accounting, but will also be useful for my future studies and career. So that is all from me. Thank you.
Last but not least, we have the conclusion. Let's go!
So, finally, this case study has given us a better understanding of product costing and its importance in managing a food and beverage business. By looking at the cost of nasi lemak fried chicken and nasi ayam penyet at Selera Mangga, we learn how to identify and calculate direct materials, direct labor, indirect materials, production overhead, total production cost, and selling price. Through the assignment, we also realized how important accurate cost calculation is in setting the right selling price while make sure the business keeps on running. It also helped us gain a better understanding of cost accounting by applying the concept we learned in class to a real business situation. In addition, working on this project improved our teamwork, communication skills, and problem-solving skills as we work together to complete the assignment. Overall, this experience made the learning process more practical, meaningful, and relevant to real-life business operations.
Thank you so much for
Thank
watching.
Hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.